here I am with the lovely Liv Langdon, our food manager, on it, and she's going to make me a super bone broth. Why are you making me a super bone broth for breakfast, Livy?
Well, it's a really good source of collagen and gelatin, and it's going to keep you healthy.
It's got a good amount of fat, a good amount of protein, and she's going to put some extra goodies, including some extra fat in there, so that I have stable blood sugar, so I'm not chasing that blood sugar dragon with a bunch of carbohydrates that are going to spike my blood sugar, and my body's going to dump a bunch of insulin, and then I'm going to get all sleepy because my blood sugar is going to go down. But instead, I'm going to have some super bone broth, and that's going to keep me fueled for all the rest of my morning meetings, because I got a lot of shit to do today.
That's right. So let's get started. We're going to start with a pasture-raised chicken bone broth. They simmer this for like 72 hours, so you get all of the nutrients from the bones. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of grass-fed butter. Pop that in there.
Fat is good for you.
1/4 of a fresh lemon juice. Get all those juices in there. 1 teaspoon of 10 different types of mushrooms, but the good kind of mushrooms.
Not the really good kind of mushrooms.
1/8 of a teaspoon of Himalayan salt, which has 84 trace minerals in it. And we're going to do a little bit of turmeric for some anti-inflammatory benefits. Just a couple dashes of that. And then a couple dashes of cayenne pepper for a little kick. And that's it. We're going to blend this up and serve it up. Except I need a top. Boom.
Put that dirty top on there. Don't even wash it. Put it, blend it all dirty.
I made this extra spicy for you, so you're gonna really enjoy it.
Pro tip, the more you blend a hot beverage, the colder it gets, because it's obviously circulating air. It's like the ultimate blowing on your hot beverage, so blend it as little as possible. It's good to emulsify the fats, but don't overdo it, or you're gonna have a cold ass bone broth, or a cold ass coffee, or a cold ass whatever else you're gonna do.
And it gets really frothy.
True. But that could be good too, because then it's kind of like a latte. Thank you, Libby.
Of course.
All right, so this is a great way, one of the many ways. We have a bunch of smoothies and keto shakes and different options here as well. But this morning, I'm just feeling the bone broth, and I know how good it is because I get it almost every day now. Oh, it does have a little extra kick.
It did. I put a little bit
It does
extra
have a
in
little
it.
extra kick.
Just for your
Just
jokes
for,
earlier.
Just for me. Just, so I was talking about your leaky gut.
Yeah, exactly. I was going to get you back for it. Like, here's a little extra cayenne.
Sorry, too bad, because I love the extra cayenne. So double win for me.
Darn.
Thwarted. All right, back to work.